Hi, I will present our project on predicting the net hourly electrical energy output of a combined cycle power plant using senior data. So the objective will be our goal was to develop a regression model to accurately predict electrical energy output based on ambient environmental reading from 9,568 hours data points. So we have made several important decisions. We choose the regression since we are predicting a continuous variable. So we define the performance matrix that we evaluate our models using matrix like mean absolute error, MAE, R square, etc. And then about the data split, we divided our data set into 80% for training, 10 for validation, and the rest of the 10 for testing. So for feature selection, we explore two feature sets. For version 1, we select all the features, which is the temperature, ambient, pressure, relatively humidity, and exhaustive vacuum. And for version 2, we dropped off the exhausted vacuum and then select the rest of the features. Here with our training result. So for V1, we include all our four features, but we have a worse result, which is an MAE of 17.678 and a R square of 0.912. For version 2, which included only three features, to achieve a better result, which we have the significantly lower MAE, which is 3.484, and a higher R square, which is 0.932. So we have some key insights about this, the trainings. So the results highlight the strength of the version 2 because we have the lower MAE, which this indicates that the version 2's predictions are closer to the actual values, making it a more reliable model. And then we have higher R square. This suggests that version 2 explains a greater proportion of the variance in the output, demonstrating its effectiveness in capturing the underlying patterns. So in conclusion, our analysis shows that version 2, despite having fewer features, our outperformed outperformed version 1 in key metrics, indicating a more efficient model for predicting electrical energy output. Now I'm going to show the result in GCP. Okay, thank you for your attention.